humanity is standing at a very painful, very loud, and very ill place. And though we can often view nature as this background for a postcard, this place we visit between our responsibility, between what's important, like things like work, or nature is the fundamental aspect of our human nature and our nervous system. When everything is falling apart, all you have to do is simply go into nature to regather the parts that you don't even know have been lost, the ones you cannot name, the ones only your tears can make sense of.